Whip, bought it, whip, got it, drive on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in bed?
Looking like a bag of money.
A bag of money, y'all.
Whip, bought it, whip, got it, drive on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys.
The light's a little too bright. So you guys, I am all set. I am getting ready to head out. My makeup is giving a real natural, subtle glam, and I am about to wear a curly wig, which will have me looking really bomb. So I wanted to, you know, kind of show you guys what I'm about to do. So currently about to be on my way to the salon. So yeah, y'all catch me there. It is currently 11:41. My appointment is not until like 2 o'clock, but she told me I could come at 1. But yeah, y'all, so let's head out.
Say hi, Chris. Hey.
Yeah, so my camera literally died. I brought 2 batteries. Well, I actually had 1 battery, and I left all of the other ones at home, and I also forgot the charger at home. So now I'm maxed out, so I'm using my phone. So yeah, she gonna give me one. Watch her little knuckles move. Come on, knuckles.
Don't do me.
That bitch.
Look at the girl. You is looking fire.
Working that bottle, y'all.
Got some good cream in here.
Damn right we take turns being wrong. I get real accountable.
We got the hair balm.
I get real about it all.
I should get that for my hair.
It's so crazy missing you. I get on
Installed by Chris. Don't play. Don't play. Chris in here, y'all. You hoes could never. Don't try it.
All of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs, not shit. You a damn drug.
I feel so pretty. Thank you.
All the sex on replay. Run it back like a DJ.
I do too.
Make a bad mistake. No. I was just waiting for you. Put the pussy away for you. Thinking I will wait for you.
Flat like.
That damn dog.
Yeah.
We don't make it for you.
Don't play with it. Don't play with it.
Looking like a whole
Oh my
side
gosh.
of a snack.
What did you do to me? So what's up, y'all? So hair is on point. Oh, thanks to Chris. Hello. Say hey, Chris.
Looking like a bag of money.
A bag of money, y'all. Y'all fucks with it. I fucks with it. I fucks with her. Yo, why you had to do me like that? Why you do me like that, Chris? Yo, I'm sorry, I can't. I need a moment. So guys, that was it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more. I hope you guys love this video because I needed this. Yo, I really needed this. So like, y'all see the hair is given. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more, and share this video. So what's up, y'all? So hair is on point. Oh, thanks to Chris. Hello. Say hey with it. I fucks with it. I fucks with her. Yo, why you had to do me like that? Why you did me like that, Chris? Yo, I'm sorry, I can't. I need a moment.
I was just waiting for you. Put the pussy away for you. Thinking I will wait for you. And that damn dog, we don't make it for you. And I might hit your phone up. The ba-ba-ba. Missing my da-da-da. Miss that